Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office, what is the address of your emergency?
Yes, 21630 Southwest 120 Avenue, 216th Street. There's a guy in a Honda van at Davis Grocery.
There's a guy at 21630 Southwest 122 Avenue. Is this a house apartment?
Yes, 21630 Southwest 120 Avenue, 216 Davis Grocery. There's a guy in a Honda. There's a Cuban guy in a Honda van up here, bagged up. He pulling a gun out on everybody. Please send the police. Hurry up now.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your fucking hands.
I ain't got no hands.
Let me see your fucking hands.
I ain't got no hands.
3200, shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired, shots fired. Watch for crossfire. He's armed.
There's an armed subject, Davis Grocery, 216 and 122, 315.
He's in the car, he's in the car. Where is he?
Hey, don't fucking move!
Where is he?
Hey, I got a subject down, subject down, subject down.
We have 315 dropping shots.
Subject down. Hey.
Grocery, 216-3012.
Hey, clear that car. Santana, clear that car.
Clear the fucking car. Kick the gun. Cuff him.
Air suspect is party 30-200.
Cuff him.
300 QR.
Get some fucking cuffs on him. Right now.
Are you here, are you?